Dreaming of fuller, longer eyelashes? Many people are, and there are natural ways to promote eyelash growth. Thin eyelashes can result from aging, medical conditions, nutritional deficiencies, infections, or hormonal changes. Habits like rubbing eyes and not removing makeup also play a part. Caring for your eyelashes properly and trying natural remedies can stimulate growth. Results vary, so patience and consistency are key. Castor oil can boost eyelash growth. Apply it with a clean brush or swab before bed and rinse off in the morning. Use daily for best results. Olive oil also nourishes and thickens eyelashes. Apply warm olive oil with a clean wand before bedtime and rinse off in the morning. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and helps keep lashes hydrated. Apply fresh gel before bed or mix with jojoba oil and chamomile for an extra boost. Eggs are protein-rich and can enhance lash texture. Mix with glycerin, apply for 15 minutes, then rinse. Repeat 3 times a week. Green tea, loaded with flavonoids, supports lash growth. Apply cooled green tea with a cotton tip twice daily for a few months. Coconut milk, rich in proteins and fats, promotes longer, thicker lashes. Apply with a cotton swab, let sit, then rinse off. Repeat daily. Handle your lashes gently, ensure proper nutrition, and consult a doctor before taking supplements. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.